నేను మాత్రం మా ఇద్దరు పిల్లల్ని క్వాలిటీ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ అందించే ఉల్లంపర్రు మాంటిసోరీ స్కూల్లో మాత్రమే చదివిస్తాను. ఇలా అన్నీ ఉన్న చోట మన పిల్లల్ని చదివిస్తేనే వాళ్ళకి మంచి భవిష్యత్తు ఉంటుంది.
నాకు అన్ని నెంబర్ 1 కావాలి. అందుకే నా పెద్ద మనవరాల్ని అన్ని వసతులతో క్వాలిటీ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ అందిస్తున్న స్కూల్లోనే జాయిన్ చేశాను.
ఏ స్కూల్ సార్ అది?
ఉల్లంపర్రు మాంటిసరీ స్కూల్. క్వాలిటీ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ లో నెంబర్ 1, కల్చరల్ యాక్టివిటీస్ లో నెంబర్ 1, స్పోర్ట్స్ లో నెంబర్ 1, క్యాంపస్ లో నెంబర్ 1.
అది
మీ పిల్లల బంగారు భవిష్యత్తుకు మాది బాధ్యత.
Good morning everyone. I am Lavanya from Maths Department. Today I want to say about fractions. Already we read the fractions. Again I want to say about fractions because this chapter again it will continue in the 7th class also. 7th chapter also fractions chapter is there. That's why I have to change fractions topic. What is a fraction? Fraction is a part of a whole. Fraction is a part of a whole. For example, if you take one apple, that apple is cut into 4 pieces. For example, if I take 2 pieces, how can we represent it as a fraction? For example, this is one apple. Feel like it is an apple. It was cut into 4 pieces. I take 2 pieces. So, how can we represent as a fraction 2 by 4? Why I wrote 2 in the numerator? Why I wrote 4 in the denominator? Because how many parts we are chosen from the whole that we represent in the numerator. Denominator means total number of parts or whole. So, how can we represent as a fraction? It has numerator and denominator. In the numerator, how many parts we chosen from the whole. Denominator, total number of parts are whole. Now we have to see different types of fractions. First one is the like fractions. Like fraction means the fractions have the same denominator are called like fractions. Again, like fraction means the fractions have the same denominator are called as like fractions. For example, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 10 by 5. This is one group. Once see the denominators here. All the denominators are same. That's why these are like fraction. Shall we write another group? This is one group. Like that. So what did you observe here? Here denominators are same. If the denominators are called as, we can say that one those are like fractions. Next, unlike fractions. Unlike fractions means fractions have the different denominators are called as unlike fraction. Fractions have the different denominators. For example, 2 by 3, 5 by 4, 7 by 6, 9 by 8 like that. Once you observe your denominators are same? No, if the denominators are not same, those are called as unlike fractions. For example, another group you have to write 1 by 3, 7 by 3, 7 by 4, 7 by 6. See the denominators? Denominators are not same. If the denominators are not same, those are called as unlike fractions. Like fraction means denominators are same. Unlike fraction means denominators are not same. Next, proper fraction. Proper fraction means in a fraction, numerator is less than the denominator is called as a proper fraction. Or numerator is smaller than the denominator is called as a proper fraction. For example, 2 by 7, 9 by 15, 3 by 4. Once you will observe here, numerator is less than the denominator. Here also numerator is less than the denominator. Numerator is less than the denominator. So if the numerator is less than the denominator, those fractions are called as proper fraction. These are the examples of the proper fraction. Next, improper fraction. Improper fraction means numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator is called as a improper fraction. Numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator. For example, 3 by 2, 7 by 4 or 5 by 5, 10 by 3. Observe here. So numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator. Greater than or equal to the denominator. Once see here, 3 is greater than 2, Yes. 7 is greater than 4. Yes. And 5 and 1. Both are equal. Both are equal also we can say that when it is a improper fraction. So proper fraction means numerator is less than the denominator. Improper fraction means numerator is greater than the denominator or equal to the denominator. Is called as a improper fraction. Next, mixed fraction. Mixed fraction means it has two parts, whole number and proper fraction. Whole number and proper fraction. For example, 2. 2 is a whole number? Yes. Next, I can say that when it is a proper fraction. Proper fraction means numerator is less than the denominator. 1, 3 by 7. 2, 5 by 6. Like this. So, mixed fraction means it has whole number and proper fraction. Whole number, proper fraction. Whole number, proper fraction. This is, we can say that it is a mixed fraction. Next, unit fraction. Unit fraction means the fractions have, numerator have 1, it is called as the unit fraction. In a fraction, the numerator is 1, then we can say that when it is a unit fraction. For example, 1 by 3, 1 by 10, 1 by 7, 1 by 9, 1 by 13 and so on like that. This is the unit fraction. So how many types of fractions are there? 6 types of fractions are there. What are these? Like fraction, unlike fraction, proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction, unit fraction. Like fraction means fractions have the same denominator. Next, unlike fractions means fractions have the different denominators. Proper fraction means numerator is less than the denominator. Improper fraction means numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator. Next, mixed fraction means it has whole number and proper fraction. Once you'll observe here, these are proper or not? Yes, proper only because numerator is less than the denominator. Here also numerator is less than the denominator. Numerator is less than the denominator. Unit fraction means the numerator has 1. Those fractions are called as unit fraction. Can we say that one? So every unit fraction is a proper fraction? Definitely. Next, another topic is convert improper to mixed. Here, convert mixed into improper. Convert improper into mixed. For example, we will take one example. Take first improper fraction. Improper fraction means numerator is greater than the denominator. 7 by 4. Is it improper fraction or not? Yes. So how can we change improper to mixed? By using division method. What is the divisor here? 4. What is the divider in? 7. So how many times? 1 time. What will do? Subtraction. 7 minus 4, 3. Now how can we write improper fraction as a mixed fraction? First we have to write quotient as a whole. Quotient as a whole. Next, remainder is in the numerator. Divisor is in the denominator. Simply we can write like this. Right to left. Right to left. First we will write quotient as a whole. Remainder in the numerator. Divisor in the denominator. So we can convert improper to mixed. Next, convert mixed into improper. These both are very easy actually. Only from in exam point of view, half of mark maybe. Mixed to improper. For example, mixed means it's a whole and proper fraction. It is a mixed fraction, but we will converting into improper fraction. How can we convert? Here into here plus. Here into here plus. Multiply whole and denominator. Then you have to add to the numerator. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 3, 30. 13 by 5. Shall we take another example? 7, 4 by 8. It is mixed fraction or not? Yes. How can we converting into improper? Into plus 8 7s are 56. 56 plus 4, 60. So this is converting improper into mixed, convert mixed into improper fraction. Next, comparing fractions. We have to comparing fraction. Compare the fraction means we have to see which is smaller, which is greater in a fraction. We have to see that one. For example, 2 by 7, 4 by 7, 9 by 7, 1 by 7. How can you tell that one which is the smallest fraction in these fractions? Once you'll observe here, if you want to compare in fraction, first you have to see the denominators. Here denominators are same. It means these are like fractions. If the denominators are same, it will be very easy to compare the fraction which is smaller, which is greater, or we can write ascending order, we can write in the descending order. For example, what is the smallest fraction here? The denominator. So here denominators are same. Now see the numerator. What is the numerator? 2, 4, 9, 1. So which is the smallest? Smallest fraction is, what is the smallest fraction? 1 by 7. Next, what is the biggest fraction? In this group, what is the biggest fraction? What is it? 9 by 7. Shall we take another example? Once you observe here. If you are comparing fractions, see the denominators. Here denominators are same. If the denominators are same, it will be very easy to find out the which is the smallest, which is the biggest. Tell me, what is the smallest fraction? See the numerators. So 2 by 4. What is the biggest fraction? 6, 9, 2, 13, 13 by 4. So can we write ascending order? Ascending order means small to big. Tell me, what is the first smallest fraction? 2 by 4. Using this symbol, less than symbol. Everybody know this one, I think. 2 by 4. Next. Already it's over. Please keep tick mark. And 6 by 4. Next. 8 by 4. Next. 9 by 4. Next. 13 by 4. It is ascending order. Can we write descending order also? Descending order means big to small. Descending order means big to small. Reverse you can write 13 by 4. Here we are using which symbol? Here we are using less than to increasing order. Which symbol we are using? Next 9 by 4. Next 8 by 4. 6 by 4. 2 by 4. For which fractions? Like fractions. Now you have to see the unlike fractions. Unlike fractions, take two fractions, 2 by 3, 5 by 6. I will ask which is the smallest fraction, which is the biggest fraction. Can you say that one? In these two fractions, which is the biggest, which is the smallest? No, because here denominators are not same. If the denominators are not same, what will do? If the denominators are not same, we have to write equivalent fractions. Equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction means if you multiply numerator and denominator with the same number, those fractions are called as equivalent fractions. How can you assume which number we multiplied with the numerator and denominator? Can't say. So first you have to see the denominators. What are the denominators here? 3 and 6. So what will do here? You will find out LCM of 3, 6. To find out the equivalent fractions, you have to find out the LCM for the denominators. To find out the equivalent fractions, you will find out LCM of denominators. Everybody know that one? LCM, how to find out LCM? What is the LCM? Without doing LCM, we can say that one. What is the LCM here? 6. Otherwise, can do like this. So what is the LCM here? 6. LCM is 6. Now what will do? So take first fraction. Take first fraction 2 by 3. Again you will write 2 by 3. Which number we multiplied with 3? Then you get 6. Which number is multiplied with 3? Then you get 6. 3 2s are, and here also 2. If you multiply denominator 2, numerator also 2. So 2 2s are 4. 4 by 6. Next 5 by 6 is equal to Write again 5 by 6 into which number we multiplied with 6, then you get 6. Very easy. 1. Here also 1. 5 ones are 1. So these are unlike fractions. We are converting into like fractions. We are converting unlike to like fractions to find out by using equivalent fractions. How to find out the LCM? Then you have to write equivalent fraction. So 4 by 6 and 5 by 6. Please tell me now which is the smallest fraction? Based on the numerators, 4 by 6 is the smallest fraction. So you can write 4 by 6 is smaller than 5 by 6. Next, we will write 2 by 3, 5 by 4 and 7 by 6. These numbers write in ascending order or descending order. Ascending order and descending order. First write those fractions 2 by 3, 5 by 4 and 7 by 6. Once you will observe here, these are like fractions? No, because the denominators are not same. So if the denominators are not same, we can't say which is smallest, which is biggest. So we have to convert unlike to like fraction. How to convert unlike to like fractions? By doing LCM. So after doing LCM we have to write equivalent fraction. Once see the denominators, LCM of 3, 4, 6. So we will do LCM here. Which table? 3 table. 3 is not cancelled 4, so again you have to write. Next. 2 2s are 2 1s. So now multiply 3 into 2 into 1 into 2 into 1. 3 2s are 6. 6 2s are 12. So what is the LCM here? 12. What is the LCM? 12. Now you have to write equivalent fractions for the given fraction. What is the first fraction? 2 by 3 equal to 2 by 3. 2 dash equal to, what is the LCM here? 12. So we have to write LCM in the denominator. So 3 is multiplied with which number? Then you get 12. 4 here also 4. 2 4s are 8. Next 5 by 4. Write again 5 by 4 into dash equal to which number we have to keep here? 12. So 4 is multiplied with which number? Then you get 12. Here 3. Here also 3. 5 3s are 50. Next 6. 7 by 6 into which number we have to keep? LCM what? 12. 6 2s are 7, 2s are 14. So 2 by 3 means 8 by 12. 5 by 4 means 15 by 12. 7 by 6 means 14 by 12. So again you have to write 8 by 12, 15 by 12 and 14 by 12. Now here observe, how can you write ascending order? Ascending order means small to big. What is the smallest fraction? 8 by 12. Next 14 by 12. Next 15 by 12. Same way come. Descending order means big to small. 15 by 12. Next 14 by 12. Next 18 by 12. So these are given actually unlike fractions. You have to write first converting into like fractions by using equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction means you will multiply numerator and denominator with the same number. Those are called as a equivalent fractions. Next, addition of like fractions and subtraction of like fraction. Addition and subtraction of like fractions. Example 2 by 3, 5 by 3. Which symbol we are using here? Plus. So you have to add these two fractions, but these are which fractions? Like fraction, because the denominators are same. If the denominators are same, it's very easy. What is the denominator here? 3. Right? What is the denominator? That only will don't add these two 3's. Next 2 plus 5, 7. 7 by 3. Next another example. Sum. Is there any table is cancelled here? In 7 and 3 is there any common factor? No, that's fine. We can write like that only. In case if there is any table is cancelled, you have to cancel with that particular table. 7 by 4, 8 by 4, 6 by 4, 3 by 4. Which fractions? Like fractions. So what is the denominator? 4. Add 7 plus 8 plus 6 plus 3. 7 plus 8, 15. 15 plus 6, 21. 21 plus 3, 24. 24 by 4. Is there any table is cancelled? Yes, 4 table is cancelled. 4 is cancelled, 24 how many times? 6 times. Same like subtraction. 7 by 5 minus 2 by 5. Once you observe, these are like fractions or not? Yes. Next, 7 minus 2. 5. 5 by 5 means answer 1. If the numerator and denominator they have same numbers, that will be answer equal to 1. This is the addition and subtraction of like fractions. Like fraction means simply you can write add the numerators. You can write what's the same. You can represent that in the denominator. Next is addition and subtraction of unlike fractions. Previously we see like fractions. Now we have to see unlike fractions. Take one example. 2 by 3 plus 7 by 4. These are unlike fractions. We will add. How can we add? So your denominators are not same. You have to find out LCM. LCM of 3, 4. Is there any difference cancel in 3 and 4? No, because these are which numbers? Co-prime numbers. So if the co-prime numbers are there, if those are prime numbers are there, how can you do LCM? Simply you have to do the multiply. So 3 4s are 12. So what is the LCM here? 12. Now what we do? We have to keep 12 in the denominator. Keep LCM in the denominator. Now see the denominator. See the denominator. 3 table is cancelled 12 how many times? 4 times. If you know directly will do. Otherwise, if you don't know, follow this method. 3 is cancelling 12 how many times? 4 times. 4 into what is the numerator? Close the bracket. It's symbol plus. Again. 4 is cancelling 12 how many times? 3 times. 3 into which number we have to keep? Numerator. Now multiply. Symbol multiplication. 4 2s are 8. It's symbol plus. It's symbol into 3 7s are 20 by 12. 8 plus 21, 29. 29 by 12. Is there any table is cancelling 29 and 12? No. So this is the answer. In case if there is any table is cancelled, you have to cancel this one. Again, I want to tell this one because important. In simplification also. What is the here? Observe here. Denominators are same. If the denominators are not same, what will do? You have to do the LCM for the addition and for the subtraction. So what is the LCM here? 12. Now after this one, what will do? LCM you have to keep in the denominator. So 3 is cancelling 12 how many times? 4 times. 4 2s are 8. If you know directly, you can write 8 directly. No problem. No need to write this step. If you didn't understand, you have to write this step also. It's symbol plus. Next 4 is cancelling 12 how many times? 3 times. So 3 7s are 21. Now add these two. We will take another example. We will take second example. 2 1 by 4 plus 3 5 by. These are which fractions? These are which fraction? Mixed fraction. So first you have to converting into improper fraction. How can we converting into improper? Here into here plus. Here into here plus. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1 9. 9 by 4. It's symbol plus. 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 5. 29 by 8. So again once you observe your denominators are same. Not same. If the denominators are not same, what we find now? LCM we have to find. So LCM of 4 comma 8. Without doing LCM, what is the LCM? 8 because 4 is the factor of 8. So that's why we can easily say that one 8 is the LCM. Now what we'll do? What we'll do after this process? We have to keep LCM in the denominator. Have to keep LCM in the denominator. So after that one we have to see numerator or denominator? Denominator only. 4 is cancelled 8 how many times? 2 times. 2 into what is the numerator? 9. With symbol plus. Now 8 is cancelled 8 how many times? 1 time. 1 into 29. Again I want to repeat this step because so many members are confused. So again I want to repeat. See. We have to keep LCM in the denominator. Now see the denominator. 4 table is cancelled in how many times? 2 times. 2 into what is the numerator? Don't write denominator. Numerator you have to write. Next, plus 8 is cancelled in 8 how many times? 1 time. 1 into 29. Simply multiply 2 9s are 18 plus 129s are 29 by 8. Add 18 plus 29. 47 by 8. Is there any please cancel? No. This is the answer. Shall we see subtraction example? Shall we see another example for in subtraction? This is for the addition. Same like that, but in the place of plus we have to do minus. Shall we take an example? So an example from subtraction. 2 by 5 minus 1 by 4. And see observe here denominators are not same. If the denominators are not same, what we find out? LCM. LCM of 5 comma 4. So what is LCM of 5 comma 4? 5 fours are 20 because these are which numbers? Co-prime numbers. If those are prime numbers or co-prime numbers, simply you have to do the multiply the numbers. So we have to write 20 in the which place? Denominator place. Next, see what will see denominator. What is the denominator here? 5. 5 table is cancelled 20. How many times? 4 times. 4 into what is the numerator? Don't write here plus because here which symbol is there? Minus. Keep minus symbol only. Now 4 is cancelled 20 how many times? 5 times. 5 into 1. So 4 2s are 8. Which symbol? Minus. 5 ones are 5 by 20. 8 minus 5 is 3 by 20. So 3 by 20 is the answer. Which symbol we are using here? Minus. Next, another example. Next example, subtract 2 by 7 from 3 by 5. Subtract 2 by 7 from 3 by 5. Everybody felt subtract 2 by 7 from 3 by 5 means everybody write like this 2 by 7 minus 3 by 5. It's wrong. If those are given, subtract 2 by 7 minus 3 by 5 means okay, you can write like that only. But they are not given like this. They are given word subtract 2 by 7 from 3 by 5. If those are given question like this, after from which number is there, you have to write that number first. So write that number 3 by 5. Now subtraction with symbol minus 2 by 7. Answer observe. Here denominators are same? No. If the denominators are not same, what will do? LCM you have to do. LCM of 5 comma 7. So once you observe here, these are which numbers? Prime numbers. If those are prime numbers, what will do? Simply you have to do the multiplication. So 5 sevens are 35. After this process, what will do? We have to keep LCM in the denominator place. LCM in the which place? Denominator place. If you keep LCM in the denominator, see the denominator. If you keep LCM in the denominator, see the denominator. 5 table is cancelled 35 how many times? 7 times. 7 into 3. Which symbol? Minus. In case if it is a plus, you have to write plus. Next, see the denominator. Here also see the denominator. Don't write denominator. 7 is cancelled 35 how many times? 5 times. 5 into what is the numerator? 2. Next, what will do? Multiply. 7 3s are 21.
Stop.
7 3s are 21. Which symbol? Minus. 5 2s are 10 by 35. So what is the answer? 21 minus 10. What is the answer? 11. 11 by 35. Is there a table is cancelled? No. There is no table is cancelled. Simply have leave like this. In case if there is any table is cancelled, you have to cancel that with particular table. Once you observe, you have to keep one point here. In the subtraction, if the word from is there, you have to write first this fraction. Don't write this fraction like this. 2 by 7 minus 3 by 5. Not like this. We have to write 3 by 5 minus 2 by 7. This is wrong. Okay, have to keep this point and do the same process. Simply for doing for unlike fraction, how to do addition, how to do subtraction mean depending on the denominators. You will do the LCM for the denominators. Okay, this is the addition and subtraction of unlike fractions. Next, so up to here we have to see addition of like fraction, subtraction of like fraction, addition of unlike fraction, subtraction of unlike fraction. Now you have to see multiplication of fractions, multiplication of fraction. Simply we have to do some examples. We will see 2 by 3 into 5. So how can you multiply? This is one example. This is one example. This is another example. So we have to multiply. First to multiply the numerators. 2 5s are 10. 10 by 3. Next, here also what are the numerators? 7. What is the numerator? 5. Simply you have to do the multiply the numerator. Otherwise, if you have it down, you have to write in the denominator 1. No problem. If you know directly, you have to multiply. 7 5s are 35. 35 by 1 was 4. Next, see this one. Here two fractions are there. Which symbol is there? Multiplication symbol. So how can you multiply? 2 5s are 10. 3 8s are 24. So again in 10 and 24 is there a table is cancelled? Yes. Which table is cancelled? 2 table is cancelled. 2 is cancelled 10, 5 times. 2 is cancelled 24 how many times? 12 times. Again 5 and 12 is there a table is cancelled? No. So what is the answer? 5 by 12. We can do another way also. What is that? 2 by 3 into 5 by 8. We have to cancel numerator, denominator. We have to cancel numerator and denominator. Either like this or like this or like this or like this. 4 ways you have to do cancellation. Here like this 2 and 3 or 5 and 8 or 2 and 8 or 3 and 5. See, in 2 and 3 is there a table is cancelled? No. In 5 and 8 is there a table is cancelled? No. Once you observe in 2 and 8 is there a table is cancelled? Yes. Which table? 2 table. 1 time, 4 times. So now you have to multiply. 1 5 is 5 by 3 4 is 12. You get the same answer or no? Actually you have to follow this one. Because in the next process we have to do, in next class also we will do like this one. Next topic is division of fraction. It's very important. See here. 5 by 4 divided by 3. In a fractions, division is there. Simply you have to do division is changed to into. Division is changed to into. And divisor reciprocal. We have to do the reciprocal of divisor. We have to do the reciprocal of divisor. What is the divisor there? What is the divisor here? 3 is the divisor. Don't confuse. Always divisor in the right side only. Don't think fraction is the divisor. So you can change 5 by 4. Division is changed to into. What is the reciprocal of 3? 1 by 2. So word reciprocal. Already know this. Reciprocal. Reciprocal means numerator is changed to denominator. Denominator is changed to numerator. For example, it is 3 by 1. So 3 by 1 is changed to 1 by 2. Now you can still observe. Here is there a table is cancelled. No, simply multiply. 5 1s are 5. 4 3s are 2. That's it. Another example, 7 divided by 2 by 4. Once you observe here, division symbol is there or not? Yes. Fraction is there or not? Yes. So division is changed to into. Division is changed to into. In a fraction, division is changed to into. Next, divisor is, we have to do the reciprocal of divisor. So what is the divisor here? Here divisor is 2 by 4. Right side number is the divisor. So 7 is changed to into. What is the reciprocal of 2 by 4? 4 by 4. We don't cancel numerator. We didn't cancel denominator. We have to cancel numerator, denominator. Either like this, otherwise you have to do cross way also, no problem. So, no. But here, cancel. Which table? 2 table. 2 is cancelled 4 how many times? 2 times. So, 72 is the answer of 4. Next, third example. 2 by 6 divided by 5 by 8. Once you observe here, fraction, both are fractions only. But divisor what here? 2 by 6 na? 5 by 8. What is the divisor here? 5 by 8. So 2 by 6. Division is changed into. Do the reciprocal of 5 by 8. 8 by 5. Is there any this cancel? Yes. Next, is there any this cancel? No. Like this? No. Like this? No. Already it will be cancelled. Here 1 is there only. That's it. So 1 is 8 by 3 by 50. Shall we cancel like this? Your wish. That is your wish. Cancellation part is your wish. If I cancel like this, if you have to cancel like this also, we get the we both get the same answer. So, okay, note. We know that when if you are adding 0 to any number, you get the same answer. Same like that, if you are adding 0 to the fraction also, otherwise fraction is added to the 0, we get the same answer. So, 3 plus 3 by 5 plus 0 or 0 plus 3 by 5, what is the answer? Next, if you are subtracting 0 from any number, for example 9 minus 0, what is the answer? 9. Same like that, 7 by 2 minus 0, 7 by 2. Next, 5 by 4 into 0. So 0 into 3 answer 0. Same like that, fraction into 0, 0. 0 divided by any number, what is that one? 0. Same like that, normal numbers also, we can apply these rules for the fractions also. So in this class what we learn, what is a fraction, types of fractions, and comparing fractions. In the comparing fraction, which is smallest fraction, which is the biggest fraction, and ascending order and descending order. And most important topic is comparing of unlike fractions, addition of unlike fraction, subtraction of unlike fraction. How to find out these fractions? You have to find out the LCM for the denominators, and you have to find equivalent fraction. Otherwise, you will do the in the addition already I told that method you have to follow it. After here the learning and also multiplication of fraction, and also we will discuss division of fraction. In the division of fraction, keep one point. You have to division is changed to multiplication, and we have to do the reciprocal of the divisor. Reciprocal of the divisor. Here reciprocal means numerator is changed to denominator, denominator is changed to numerator. For example, 2 by 5. What is the reciprocal of 2 by 5? 5 by 2. What is the reciprocal of 3? 1 by 3. What is the reciprocal of 7 by 1? 1 by 7. Like that. This concept we will discuss today. Thank you for watching my class. Later I will send the questions to you. Please do the answers and send the reply to me. Thank you so much.
నేను మాత్రం మా ఇద్దరు పిల్లల్ని క్వాలిటీ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ అందించే ఉల్లంపర్రు మాంటిసోరీ స్కూల్లో మాత్రమే చదివిస్తాను. ఇలా అన్నీ ఉన్న చోట మన పిల్లల్ని చదివిస్తేనే వాళ్ళకి మంచి భవిష్యత్తు ఉంటుంది.
నాకు అన్ని నెంబర్ 1 కావాలి. అందుకే నా పెద్ద మనవరాల్ని అన్ని వసతులతో క్వాలిటీ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ అందిస్తున్న స్కూల్లోనే జాయిన్ చేశాను.
ఏ స్కూల్ సార్ అది?
ఉల్లంపర్రు మాంటిసరీ స్కూల్. క్వాలిటీ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ లో నెంబర్ 1, కల్చరల్ యాక్టివిటీస్ లో నెంబర్ 1, స్పోర్ట్స్ లో నెంబర్ 1, క్యాంపస్ లో నెంబర్ 1.
అది
మీ పిల్లల బంగారు భవిష్యత్తుకు మాది బాధ్యత.